Hey everybody, this is Anu. Welcome back to Treasury Crafts. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and select all notification option so that you will be notified as soon as I have uploaded my new video. Today I'm going to show you a Mother's Day special craft. My mom is asking for a handmade storage box for a long time. I'm going to make this. So let's get started. I'm going to use this daily sheet calendar. Take about 2 to 3 daily sheet calendar cardboard, but you can even use normal cardboard. Make sure to use 2 pieces for each step. Now I'm going to peel off this plastic like layer. Use any knife like this and remove the top layer. I have removed the top layer, so this is how it looks. Take as much as possible. You don't need to remove all the layer, but try as much as possible. Now cut a cardboard of 30 cm length and 18 cm width. Use thermocol cutter to cut that. Now I'm going to give you a tip. You will need to cut a cardboard strip like this. To get fine edges, rub it with sandpaper. You can get this sandpaper from any hardware shop. Sandpaper is available in all paint shops. Now to construct the cardboard box, you will need base on all 4 sides of the bottom layer. So you need to cut cardboard strips like this with 18 cm length and 3.5 cm width. You will need about 8 pieces. I'm going to stick all those pieces with glue gun. But you can even use Fevibond or Fevicol, but it takes longer time to dry. Apply glue like this and stick. For the first piece you have to apply glue on the bottom alone, and for the second piece you have to apply on 2 corners. Do watch my video without skipping, it's my request. Consider subscribing to my channel and do share it with your family and friends who might be interested in crafting. Do comment on what you think about it. Check description box to know the list of materials I use. Now the base is ready. Now to cover the gaps, you will need 3 pieces for a side. Cut a cardboard of 14 cm length and 5 cm width. Now apply glue and fix like this. Don't throw any of the daily sheet calendars or cardboard box. You can make many useful crafts out of that. So now repeat the same for the other side too. Now to cover the other side, cut a cardboard of 28 cm length and 3.5 cm width. You will need 4 pieces for a side. Now apply glue and fix like this. But you can even use other glues like Fevibond or Fevicol. I'm just giving you all possible ways to stick those cardboard pieces. Fevibond takes about 5 to 10 minutes to dry and Fevicol takes about 20 to 30 minutes to dry completely. Apply and spread like this and stick it to the base if you are using Fevicol. So this is how it looks when you stick all cardboard pieces. Now to make it stronger, I'm going to cover it with a plaster paste. Take some plaster of Paris, mix it with some glue and water. I have took 8 spoons of plaster of Paris, 2 spoons of glue and added some water to adjust the consistency. You can get plaster of Paris from any hardware or paint shop, or you can even use white cement instead of plaster of Paris. It will make the cardboard pieces stronger. Apply it on the edges. Give the POP paste in the inner surface too. Apply completely and let it dry. So once it dried, it becomes more stronger. Now I'm going to paint this box with acrylic colors of Fevicryl company. I'm going to use two basic colors, leaf green and pearl desert. Pearl desert is a metallic color which will give you a shiny look. Don't use too much of paint. Use water and paint like this. Repeat the same for other sides. Now for the edges, I am going to use Prussian blue, that is dark blue shade. Coloring is your wish, you can use any color you wish. I am just giving you an idea of these color combinations will work well, but you can paint the cardboard box with your choice of colors. Now once it has been dried, write something you wish to tell to your mom on this special day. I have written as love you Amma, that is love you mom. You can write anything you wish. I am going to use red and black. Use thin brush to write it on the cardboard. And the beautiful storage box is ready. I think this would be a perfect gift for your mom for this Mother's Day. Do try this in your home. You can store anything you wish, some notebooks, storybooks, some daily use items. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.